This is Carly Sullivan, fulfilling capstone number 3, ocean acidification and their other ocean changes. Sea surface temperatures have been rising since 1900. The currents in the ocean circulate water. The warming of the waters causes swelling and changes in buoyancy. The rise of carbon dioxide levels increase how much the ocean absorbs. Rising levels of carbon dioxide change the pH of the ocean. The more acidic the ocean, the less life thrives. Why is that place vulnerable? The United States coastline is showing effects of sea surface temperatures as well as ocean acidification. The runoff from agriculture from the Gulf of Maine and the Gulf of Mexico are transporting dead zones. They're experiencing dead zones. Ocean levels and nutrient levels create algae blooms along areas of northeast runoff. These blooms deplete oxygen and nutrients. Algae die and sink to the bottom of the ocean floor by adding more carbon dioxide to the seafloor level. What are the regions in terms of community change? What are the forecasts in terms of environmental change? Warming of oceans result in eutrophication-induced hypoxia. Surface temperatures will continue to rise and reduce welling and downwelling. Warming also causes seawaters to swell, along with melting ice and sea swelling. Millions of people are to be displaced by flooding. This will increase the impacts on the communities surrounded in low-level sea rise, where the dead zones will happen. That means we can do this together. The ocean's going to continue to get more acidic, which will reduce its biodiversity, increase its temperature, and solutions to that are not really